All right, what's up, guys? It's Dr. Roberts here, hashtag Keto Chiropractic. And I tell you what, I just got one of the best workouts at the weekend. I'm here with Cory here at Gold's Gym in Hendersonville. You guys know that I always encourage a good workout. So if you're going along this journey, ignore my hand there. If you're going along this keto journey with me, or even if you're not, I always encourage you to get a good workout in. And I tell you what, if you're putting off joining a gym or starting a workout because you're afraid, you don't know where to get started, or even if you're already a part of a gym and you're just wandering around, you're not sure if you know what you're doing or if you're doing exercises right, I encourage you, get a trainer, and if you're going to get a trainer, get one of the best, and that's Cory here. Tell him, Cory.
Hey, man, absolutely. You guys come to Gold's Gym out here in Hendersonville. We can sit down and do body composition. We can talk fitness goals, nutrition, get you guys on the right track. You can contact me, 615-351-1163, about information on how to get started. Love to have you in and get you on the path to your fitness goals.
I'm telling you what, guys, if you want to get started, start with the best, and that's Cory here at Gold's Gym. We'll see you next time. God bless.
Have a great day.